This is my service quote. It's a dream catcher, and my philosophy is great customer service is required in all aspects of one's life. In this dream catcher, you will see 9 simple things that you can do to acquire your dream job. Even though they are simple, some people may overlook them in the day-to-day basis. Keeping the guest happy is the main philosophy of a good customer service, and never forget how you can do better than that. The first thing on our dream catcher is going to be always listen to the guest. The second, don't make any promises you can't keep. Third, do it better than that. Always go up and beyond for the customer. Fourth, educate yourself. Always make sure that you have all the right answers. Fifth, put yourself in their shoes. Sixth, keep a professional environment. Seventh, have patience. Eighth, keep your feelings at home. And ninth, be positive and always show up with a smile.